Have you ever wondered how to make money? It's a question that resonates in every corner of our society, from the bustling city streets to the quietest corners of our minds. After all, money plays a crucial role in shaping our lives, our dreams, and our futures. Today, we're going to explore 5 diverse ways to make money, each offering a unique approach to financial gain. So buckle up as we dive into the first way to make money. Firstly, consider starting your own business. It's a path that's not without its challenges, but the benefits can be immense. Imagine the satisfaction of being your own boss, steering the direction of your company, and reaping the rewards of your hard work. The potential for high profits is one of the major attractions of starting a business. However, to turn this potential into reality, you'll need a strong business idea. This idea should be innovative, unique, and able to fill a gap in the market. Once you have your idea, you'll need to create a solid business plan. This plan will be your roadmap, helping you navigate the path from concept to reality. It will detail your strategies for marketing, operations, finance, and more. Starting a business also requires capital. This could be your personal savings, a bank loan, or funds from investors. With a good idea and a lot of hard work, a successful business can be a great source of income. Next, think about investing your money. Investing is like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow. It's a way of putting your money to work, to potentially yield more money. You may choose various avenues for this, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Stocks represent a share in a company, while bonds are loans you give to governments or corporations. Real estate, on the other hand, involves buying property to rent or sell at a profit. However, investing is not without its risks. The markets can be unpredictable, and there's always a chance of losing your money. But don't let this intimidate you. Just like how a gardener learns which plants thrive in what conditions, you too need to do your research and plan your investments wisely. Understand the market trends, analyze the risks, and make informed decisions. While it involves some risk, investing can be a lucrative way to earn money. Thirdly, you could try your hand at freelancing. This is not just a side gig anymore, but a growing trend that's reshaping the world of work. With a skill in your hands like writing, graphic design, or programming, you can monetize your abilities in the freelancer's market. But what makes freelancing worth considering? The answer lies in its flexibility. You're not bound by the 9-to-5 grind. You can work from anywhere, choose your own projects, and set your own rates. On top of that, the potential for income is significant. Successful freelancers can earn just as much, if not more, than those in traditional jobs. Of course, building a freelance career takes time and determination, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. So, if you have a skill that's in demand, why not leverage it as a freelancer? Freelancing offers a great balance between work and life, and it can be an effective way to earn a living. Fourthly, consider selling products online. The internet has created a bustling marketplace right at our fingertips, with platforms like eBay and Etsy leading the charge. These online marketplaces have become popular spaces where anyone, including you, can sell a variety of products. You could start a small business selling handmade crafts, or maybe you're a vintage aficionado with treasures to share. Or perhaps you simply want to declutter your living space and sell unwanted items that are still in good condition. The possibilities are endless, and the beauty is, you get to decide what you want to sell and how you present it to the world. Selling products online can be a fun and profitable way to make money. Lastly, you might want to consider teaching a skill you're good at. It's an interesting and rewarding way to make money. Think about it, are you a whiz at playing the guitar? Or perhaps you're a polyglot who can speak multiple languages fluently. Even if your specialty lies in whipping up gourmet meals, there's someone out there willing to pay to learn from you. The beauty of the digital age is that it's not confined to a physical location. You can reach a global audience through online platforms like Udemy or Teachable. These platforms provide you with the tools to create and sell your courses. So, why not share your knowledge and make some money along the way? Teaching a skill not only helps others, but can also be a rewarding way to earn money. To wrap up, we've covered 5 ways to make money: starting a business, investing, freelancing, selling products online, and teaching a skill. Each path demands effort and dedication. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. With persistence and hard work, you can find a way to make money that suits you best.